Jai Mata Di and hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Total Reality. I wishing you all a very happy, enjoyable and joyful Holi to all of you. May this Holi brings true color of happiness in your life. This is my wish and I wish you all the same. So today in this video I will tell you all about the significance of Holi. Rather than calling a festival of colors, festival of joy, festival of celebration, festival of you can say togetherness between all the you can say your nears and dears and all the loved ones. Holi basically is celebrated so that you all may come close together, have some get-togethers and enjoy of getting enjoyment at the same place in a specific way by dancing, by playing Holi, by offering sweets to one another, by having hugs and all the enjoyment you can done. This is an aspect of Kali Yuga. But by the sense of mythology, if we see through it, we can find that Holi is a festival of exhausting your bad habits. Before the day of, there are two types of Holi celebrated in India. Day one, we burnt the effigy of Holika, we can say, made up of cow dungs, made up of some dry fruits, garlands and all the things, the rituals as per the tradition of India. We burnt the effigy of that. What is this effigy? This is not about Holika. It is simply that habits which have been seen as the bad habits in a human being. When you let them fire, when you extinguish the fire in that Holika, it means burning of your bad habits which are destroying your personality, which are destroying the way of humanity, which are destroying your sense of belonging, your sense of togetherness, attachments. This is all. Maybe it is calm, you can say calm, matsarya, krodha, anger, emotional, too much emotional, too much attachment, or maybe it will be too much feeling of sexuality. So this is all about, we can say, the 5 great bad habits. You need to extinguish that, you need to fire up that, you need to offer to fire, so that you will be all together and always be free from that bad habits. In Hindi we can say Panch Karm or Panch Dushkarm, in that sense. So in this video you know that you came to know about the facts which are related to Holika. Now on day 2, after burning all the bad habits or Panch Dosham, I already told you Panch Dosham, you will play Holi with all your nears and dears, so that these bad habits came out from your body, burned into the effigy of Holika, and after that you will be free. Now there is a sense of feeling kindness, humanity, emotions, your true emotion, true intellectual and your trustworthiness is being restored. You can actually feel that thing if you take this festival to that level, that sense of mind, if you burnt all your bad habits into the effigy of Holika, rather it is of misusing of your powers, your good powers or bad powers, it is that. In the story of Holika, we see that when Holika takes Prahlad and get into the fire by his, you can say, the mysterious powers, she lit up the fire. But in the fire, we all see that Holika is burnt, totally burnt, but there is not a single spot of affecting of fire on Prahlad. Why? Because she is misusing the power. I'm sorry. She is misusing the power. She is misusing the power and applying that power on a devotee of Vishnuji, Shri Hari. That is not only a single cause of her bad omen, but there are more chances. There are a single incident again happening in the mythology, is that her brother Hiranyakashipu claim a false allegation, puts a false allegation on Devi Devtas that you are not given the boon by your true heart and soul. That is why this is happening. And this is the, you can say, the first incident in the mythology, in Hindu mythology, that this will happen. But according to this video, I wanted to tell you all that the Holi is all about celebrating this festival with true heart, with full trustworthiness, with full belonging to your loved ones, to your nears and dears, and all who have, or you can say who had contributed to your life, maybe of 1%, maybe of 2%, maybe of, you can say, 90%. Doesn't matter. This is a festival that you can get together, you can get close to them by your true heart, by your true humanity, after burning all your bad habits into the effigy of Holika that you are already done on day 1 of this ritual of the festival that is come to in existence, that should be observed on day 1 of Holi festival. So this is all about the significance of celebrating, enjoying Holi with a great cause, with a good omen, with a great pomp and show. Happy Holi to all of you. Please remind the facts, the things whichever I discussed in this lecture, in this story. Think over it, ponder over it, and then you can able to feel what I am saying. If you listen this video with your pure intention and pure concentration, then you will may come to that point, you will understand what I am saying. So on this note, Jai Mata Di again. Happy Holi to all of you again. May this Holi fills true happiness and joyable colors to all of you in your life. My name is Himanshu. This is my channel Total Reality. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that more and more people will let know about the untold, unknown and unbelievable facts which are related to Hindu gods and goddess. Jai Mata Di.